Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Ethereum blockchain coins on Trust Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Trust Wallet and press the search function at the top right. Then you want to go to All Networks and you want to click on Ethereum. Now, these are only coins on the Ethereum main net, so if you want to buy, for example, Ethereum, you click on Ethereum, then you have to click on Buy. Trust Wallet is going to find you the cheapest provider, either MoonPay or Alchemy Pay, so click on Continue. And now you just sign up with Alchemy Pay. It's one of the most trusted ways to buy crypto, and then the Ethereum blockchain coins will be sent straight to your Trust Wallet. And that's it. So, that's basically how you can buy Ethereum blockchain coins on Trust Wallet. So, that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.